Hello everybody, this is Susan Zengi calling from the Moog satellite offices in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm getting ready to place a call to Jill Viverka, one of our Diamond consultants, who has been burning up the phone lines after her mentorship with Stephen Bransfield, and she just got her first MLR sale along with an Inner Circle annual subscription. So that was a total commission of $1,650. We're going to call her and talk to her about it and see what she's doing with her marketing.
Hello.
Hi, Jill.
Hey.
This is Susan. How are you?
Oh, I just now saw your message on my phone.
That's okay. Hey, I am recording this call, and I think you know why I'm calling. So don't say anything bad. No, I'm just kidding. No, Stephen called me yesterday and told me that you had some exciting news, that you got your first MLR sale and your first Inner Circle. And so I'm calling to do a Moog Inspiration call with you and congratulate you on your success, and just ask you to share with everybody what you're doing in your marketing and what's working for you and how things are going. I've seen lots of posts on the accountability groups, and it looks like you've been really busy, and that's awesome. So tell us what's happening.
Okay. It's a little overwhelming and very exciting. After having Steve here as a in-home mentoring person, it turned everything around for me. It was just wonderful. And I have been spending an extraordinary amount of time on the phone every day, but it's worth it. And I have people filling out information forms. They want to talk to me. They're coming to me, and that's the way it's supposed to go. So in the last 2.5 weeks, I think I've made over 20 sales, MTTB, and I had my first MLR and Inner Circle yesterday, which was exciting.
Yay!
And I'm just thrilled. Moving forward, I have no time to look up. I'm on it, and Steve has been a real great support in that as well. So I don't let people off the hook. If they want to talk to me, they get a video reminder. I shoot a little video and text it to them, reminding them of their appointment with me the next day. They get emails also right beforehand. I text them. I mean, it's really hard for them not to know I'm there. And
that's awesome.
And I have people that will text me right back saying, "I'm here. I'm ready. I'm right now. I'm ready." And so that's fun. And it's just been great. I've been targeting baby boomers like me, especially this summer. I've been targeting more teachers because they have more time off in the summer. And this is something that they could start to get the training done now and then have it going part-time as they're teaching in the fall, and earn more money toward their retirement. And they're very open to that idea.
Oh, that's brilliant. That's brilliant.
It's fun. I'm having a ball. I wrote a book, and that's been a gold mine for me, too. If folks haven't done a little book, they should. Mm-hmm. That's been a very, very big help. And so that's what I've been doing. I have about 10 to 15 calls a day that I make, and it's really exciting. It's moving fast now.
That's fantastic. Congratulations. That's really great to hear.
Thank you.
So it's all about taking action. I can see that that's what you're doing, and you know, it's one thing to educate yourself, but when you're actually picking up the phone and doing the work and everything, that's when you really start getting results. So
that's the truth. Yeah. It's the truth.
Great, great. Well, thanks for talking to us. I know you're busy. I saw the little short windows you had for me to talk to you. I had to jump in really quick, so I'll let you go because I know you got somebody on the line coming up really soon. So
I do.
Congratulations.
You,
you're welcome, and I hope we'll see you again, and hopefully I can call you again to congratulate you on another great call or another great sale.
I'm ready.
Awesome. All right. Take care, Jill.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.